Did you know that Toyota has taken a giant leap in the electric vehicle race? After a modest start with the BZ4X, they've made a bold move that's sending ripples across the industry. Imagine a battery that could take you from New York to Chicago without a single recharge. That's what Toyota's groundbreaking new 750-mile battery promises, giving their future electric vehicles a significant edge over rivals. Battery history. Toyota's advanced battery tech, the solid-state battery, isn't a new concept. It actually dates back to the 1830s. However, due to technological limitations, it remained largely undeveloped and stuck at the idea stage. But Toyota saw the potential in these batteries and decided to explore and develop them further. What's fascinating is that Toyota's solid-state batteries are still lithium-based, but they're significantly more potent. So, what sets them apart from regular lithium-ion batteries? The secret lies in the battery's electrolytes. Lithium-ion and lithium polymer batteries consist of three main components: an anode, a cathode, and an electrolyte. The anode and cathode are typically made of materials that can intercalate during both the charging and discharging process. The electrolyte allows the movement of lithium ions between the anode and the cathode. In traditional batteries, the electrolyte is either a gel-like substance or a liquid. These batteries require virtually no maintenance and can last their entire lifespan without needing any upkeep, unless physically damaged. However, if they do get damaged, they become a significant safety hazard due to their high reactivity and potential for self-combustion, if there's even a slight thermal runaway. Solid-state batteries. This is where solid-state batteries come in. As the name suggests, these batteries replace liquid electrolytes with solid ones, typically made of polymer or ceramic. These solid electrolytes allow for an extraordinarily efficient flow of lithium ions while remaining in a solid state. While this might seem like a minor change, it significantly impacts the battery's real-world utility and performance. One of the key differences is safety. Solid-state batteries are a massive improvement over regular lithium-ion batteries, which can combust or even explode when vehicles get into accidents. The situation becomes even more dangerous if the vehicle is powered by regular internal combustion engines. However, solid-state batteries eliminate the risk of combustion, making vehicles safer than both regular electric vehicles and those with fossil fuel engines. This essentially makes them the safest vehicles on the road. Apart from safety, solid-state batteries offer numerous benefits that make EVs more suitable for daily driving. Solid electrolytes are significantly more compact and lighter than regular lithium-ion batteries. This means that the batteries will take up less space, allowing for a roomier interior and a lighter vehicle, which improves both efficiency and driving dynamics. Speaking of efficiency, solid-state batteries have a much higher energy density. This means they can store more energy compared to same-sized and even larger lithium-ion batteries, which in turn increases the vehicle's range. Toyota has stated that an EV equipped with its solid-state battery will be able to travel up to 750 miles on a single charge. This makes long-distance travel with an EV finally possible, and range constraints will become a thing of the past. When it comes time to recharge the battery, you'll be pleased to know that it will take mere minutes to achieve high levels of charge. Solid electrolytes have much higher voltage tolerances, allowing for significantly better recharge times. According to Toyota's official reports, their solid-state batteries will be capable of recharging 70% of their capacity in under 10 minutes, which is nearly as fast as refueling your car. Manufacturing improvements. But that's not all. Apart from being a noticeable upgrade for the owner, solid-state batteries also bring a lot of improvements to the table when it comes to manufacturing. The most important of these is the fact that solid-state batteries have a much higher potential for rapid and streamlined production than lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries eliminate the need for liquid electrolytes, as they use a solid electrolyte. This makes the production process essentially an assembly of the battery, simplifying the entire process. As we all know, simplicity is key to both production and real-world functionality. Another significant advantage of solid-state batteries is their potential lifespan. The electrolytes in these batteries are made from polymers and ceramics, which suffer noticeably less chemical degradation compared to liquid or gel electrolytes. This allows the battery to be used more extensively before its capacity starts degrading. Solid-state battery issues. At this point, it seems pretty clear that solid-state batteries are superior to regular batteries in every possible way. But is that really the case? Unfortunately, the situation isn't as straightforward as it seems. Despite their many advantages, solid-state batteries have a few significant drawbacks that have prevented them from seeing widespread use. The most significant of these is their extremely short real-world life expectancy. While they have the potential to last much longer than regular batteries, this requires regular maintenance. The electrolytes need to be checked regularly and replaced if they show signs of considerable degradation. If left unattended, solid-state batteries can form dendrites, which are lithium metal structures that grow inside the battery. These dendrites can cause short-circuiting in the battery. While this won't lead to any major safety hazards, it will surely reduce the battery's capacity very rapidly, shortening its lifespan and lowering its overall performance. Despite being potentially simpler and cheaper to make when mass-produced, solid-state batteries still face significant challenges in terms of manufacturing scale and cost. These challenges need to be addressed before solid-state batteries can become a viable alternative to lithium-ion batteries. The manufacturing process is still very limited due to solid electrolytes being largely unexplored, which means that making them requires the utmost precision. Solid-state battery improvements. But don't worry, Toyota has gone to great lengths to mitigate or completely remove all the above-mentioned issues of solid-state batteries. Toyota announced that they expect solid-state batteries to not just be on par with regular lithium-ion batteries in terms of life expectancy, but to be even better. Their prototypes are able to cover over 500,000 miles without any significant loss of maximum capacity. That's why the development of their version of solid-state batteries is taking so long. Despite being more expensive to make now, Toyota states that they aim at a larger production output of solid-state batteries, which would make them similarly priced, if not cheaper to make, than lithium-ion batteries. So with that in mind, it's time for us to answer the most important question. When are we going to see a full-scale adoption of such batteries? Well, we aren't too far away from a full-on release. Believe it or not, Toyota's CEO Akio Toyoda has recently announced that the company will start making solid-state batteries as of 2027. Toyota is confident that the current iteration of the battery is already good to go. However, he also wants to keep testing them for any potential flaws. Plus, this way Toyota will be able to focus on simplifying the manufacturing process and making these batteries truly mass production ready. These first production batteries won't be as potent as the promised 750-mile battery. However, they are expected to be around 10 to 20% better than equivalent lithium-ion batteries, which is a massive improvement. The first batch of solid-state batteries will be good for about 500 miles, which is still extremely impressive. Toyota's future battery plans. The automobile industry is in a state of constant evolution, and Toyota is at the forefront of this change. Toyota has been working on lithium-ion batteries for a while now. However, the company has no immediate plans to replace these batteries even after they start manufacturing solid-state ones. The reason behind this decision is the profitability factor. Despite the potential for cheaper production, solid-state batteries won't be as profitable as lithium-ion batteries, at least not in the next few years. Instead, Toyota plans to offer their models with either a lithium-ion battery or an optional solid-state battery. It is expected that lithium-ion batteries will be completely phased out in the 2030s. However, as solid-state batteries haven't been properly implemented into day-to-day life yet, only time will tell if Toyota manages to fulfill this promise. Now, what do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.